Hello and welcome to TV Daiji World. Raksha Bandhan, which is popularly known as Rakhi, is indeed a prominent as well as an emotional celebration. For people who frequently ask the credibility of a small, thin thread that is tied around one's wrist, Rakhi will always be just another day. But for those brothers and sisters who know the bond this band brings and the emotions this day evokes, Raksha Bandhan is no less than any other celebration. It is not only a mere celebration but is one of the highest ways of celebrating the love, trust and responsibility that this unique relation carries. The auspicious festival of Raksha Bandhan, depicting the love between a brother and sister, always falls on the full moon day in the month of Shravana, the holiest month for the Hindu community. As the rains are receding, sea is calming down and the weather is very pleasant. This year Raksha Bandhan will be celebrated on Tuesday, August 28th. This is indeed a special occasion when a sister ties a sacred thread called Rakhi around her brother's wrist. She prays to God for the safety of her brother and to lead him on a good path. The brother in turn feeds her sweets and blesses her with good wishes and accepts the responsibility of protecting her. In Indian tradition, the frail thread of Rakhi is considered stronger than an iron chain, as it binds brothers and sisters in an inseparable bond of love and trust. Raksha Bandhan is meant not just for siblings but for protection of any loved one. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond.
मेरे भैया मेरे चंदा मेरे अनमोल रतन तेरे बदले में ज़माने की कोई चीज़ न लूं मेरे भैया मेरे चंदा मेरे अनमोल रतन तेरे बदले में ज़माने की कोई चीज़ न लूं तेरी सांसों की कसम खा के हवा चलती है तेरे चेहरे की झलक पाके बाहर आती है एक पल भी मेरी नजरों से जो तू ओझल हो हर तरफ मेरी नजर तुझको पुकार आती है मेरे भैया मेरे चंदा मेरे अनमोल रतन तेरे बदले में ज़माने की कोई चीज़ न लूं मेरे भैया मेरे चंदा मेरे अनमोल रतन तेरे बदले में ज़माने की कोई चीज़ न लूं
This year too, like the previous year, the preparations for the Raksha Bandhan festival have begun much in advance everywhere, and Mangalore is not an exception for this. A few days ahead of the festival, one can see colorful Rakhis in the market. Girls have started shopping and looking around for fancy Rakhis. One can see Rakhis in all shapes, sizes, colors and forms. The sweet shops, the garment shops, fancy shops are all flooded with fanciful things to attract people, indicating the gaiety and joy of the occasion. In recent years, Raksha Bandhan has become more popular among the younger generation in Mangalore. All around, due to the influx of northerners into Mangalore, one finds young girls in Mangalore all excited, making preparation for the festival of Raksha Bandhan by shopping around for colorful Rakhis, sweets and gifts. The celebration was observed in a special way in Mangalore Institute of Fashion Technology.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। आँखों में नींद ना, मन में चैना है। एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। दुखों से यूं डरते नहीं हैं, ऐसे बच के सच से गुजरते नहीं हैं। जीवन के दुखों से यूं डरते नहीं हैं, ऐसे बच के सच से गुजरते नहीं हैं। सुख की है चाह तो दुख भी सहना है। एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। ला 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 ला। एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। ओ ला 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 ला।
A walk down the streets of Mangalore, one can notice as a display everywhere beautiful Rakhis hanging outside every fancy store to attract customers. One can choose from a variety of Rakhis ranging from simple threads, colorful beads to designer pieces. The cost of the Rakhi ranges anywhere from ₹3 to ₹50. There are also several web portals offering mega deals during the season, and Rakhis and gifts can be ordered online and delivered at a short notice this festive season. Raksha Bandhan has become very popular these years, but there is another element involved in it too. While some college girls use this opportunity to put a control over the troublesome guys, a few women working in the office use Rakhi to escape from the lusty looks of their colleagues. So despite its significance and ever-increasing popularity, Raksha Bandhan will never be true till every woman, whether she is in the house, school, college or workplace, has real Raksha or protection, and that she feels secure even if she has to walk alone in the midnight in the heart of the city.